Okay, so I'm trying to add humanoid characters to Mixamo Fuse, and to do that, you have to have a specific UV layout. All models have to have this specific UV layout to import into the Fuse program. So that means if you have an existing model with a different UV layout, I need to convert that over to this layout. And I'm trying to automate that process. So to flush the logic out, I usually go to Unity so that I can visually see what I need to do. So I've built an editor panel here, and I can load in, I've loaded in a few different test models, and I've added some buttons that go and they do some math and figure out dynamically like where the head might be, where an eye might be, the right eye, and it's running the analysis on any, like a list of models, so I can check them all at the same time. And the real trick to doing this kind of logic is you want to iterate really fast, and the fact I can click and see the results instantly helps things move along. So far I can isolate the head, the nose, the left eye, the right eye, and what you see here is I've added some brute force detection logic. When I select these, it's scanning the 3D mesh and looking up based on vertices where the placement might be. And also, I've added the reference texture for the UV map, and it's going in and just, I'm highlighting the areas in the UV map that correspond to these vertices. So this is a vertex shader, so it's just displaying vertex colors. Black is, it's like a mask, right? So black is not selected and the white pixels are selected. And once you have the white vertices selected, then I go back through and through all the verts that have the white colors, and I go back through the UV map and paint those pixels in the reference texture to see what I've covered. So, okay, so I'll just click through these really quick. So, when you download the Mixamo content pack, it provides some sample models, including this reference texture. That's supposed to help you along to be able to create a model. The content pack gives you a template for creating things. That's what I have selected here. So I've got a little selector when I switch to a different model, and when I highlight a certain section, it's showing the selected UVs on that model. So here you can see this other test model. If I highlight the head here, you can see that I'm not actually using the proper UV map. It's got a different layout, and so that's the next to-do task, which is I need to translate these UVs to the reference UV layout so that when I click head, it's supposed to only highlight the head UVs. And it gets pretty specific for even the left eye, right eye, even the teeth layout, because Mixamo Fuse uses this specific UV layout for all their blend shapes. And if there's a quick way to just convert to the desired layout, then by importing a character in a specific format, it's going to have all the blend shapes and locators that Fuse has, which would be great. Anyways, this is the project so far. I've checked it into a public location if you want to try it out, or if you want to send me any test models, I'd appreciate that to flesh out the logic and make sure it works for everything. Currently, the rules are just percentage based, and eventually I might have to get more advanced. When I get down to like the fingers and stuff, I might have to use like dot product, not just ratios of like, oh, the head has to be like from 95% up, that kind of thing, where there will be more sophisticated detection logic. Thanks for watching.